What's up guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to easily add items from AliExpress to your Shopify store. If you're looking to expand your product offerings and increase your sales, this is the perfect video for you. Follow along as we show you step by step how to import products from AliExpress and start selling them on your Shopify store today. So let's start with a blank store and go step by step on this tutorial. I just created a new store in Shopify and I'm skipping all this information. So click skip all. And now Shopify is building my store. Now my store is successfully created and I'm logged into my dashboard account. Now to start adding products from AliExpress, just go and find the products on AliExpress website. I found this product just for this tutorial and I will use this in the next steps. Okay, now to add the product to our Shopify store, we will use a third-party tool that connects AliExpress product to our Shopify store. The name of this tool is Deezers. So you go to their website and this is their interface. To use Deezers, you have to create a free account. To create the free account, just click this button here, try it free. Now you have to create an account at Deezers. I will also create mine too. Now after creating your account, select the platform of the store. We in this video are using Shopify, so we select Shopify. Now this is the app store of Shopify. And this is the app Deezers AliExpress Dropshipping. To add this app to our store, just click this button here, Add App. And confirm your account. And now this is the setup installation of this app. So click Install App. Now Deezers is installed successfully in our store. And so on, we have to choose a plan in Deezers. There is a number of plans in Deezers, but for this tutorial we will use the free basic plan. So click Get Started and link Deezers to AliExpress. So click it. And now you have to create an AliExpress account. So type your email address and password. Now after we successfully create our account in AliExpress, we have to grant authorization for access to Deezers to access AliExpress services. So I agree to the authorization terms and I click Authorize. Now we have successfully set up our Deezer account and this is the dashboard of our Deezers account. Now we also need to install Deezer's Chrome extension. To install it, just go here at Home and click here Chrome extension. This is the extension page in Chrome Web Store. Go click Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. Now Deezers is successfully added to Chrome. This extension is only for Google Chrome, so you need to use the Google Chrome browser to use this tool. Now go to Deezers extension and click on it. And log in to your Deezers account. Click here and click Login. Your account will be connected automatically with the extension. Now go back to the AliExpress product page and refresh it. Now you can see that a new button is added at product page. If you want to add it to Deezers, just click on this button and you can see that Deezer is importing this product. Now Deezer successfully imported this product of AliExpress. To see it, just go to the dashboard of Deezers and click here Import List. Now you can see that our product is successfully added to our import list. Now this product is completely identical to the product of AliExpress. To edit it before importing to Shopify, just click this button here of pencil, Edit Product. Now here you can edit all the content of this product, starting from the title. I want to make the product title shorter, So I will leave only these 4 words. You can control variants too by clicking here, and you can see all the variants of this product in AliExpress. If you want to remove any variant of this product, just click the trash icon here. For example, this one. Confirm. And you can see that there are only 3 variants of this product now. You can also change the prices, the color, the stock to Shopify, etc. To change the description of the product, go here at description. And this is the description of the product in AliExpress. If you want to change it, just modify this text. For example, these are the images of this product in AliExpress. If you want to upload all of them, just click this button here, select all, or select it one by one. Only the images you want to upload. Click save. And now our product is ready to upload to Shopify. To upload it to Shopify, just click this button here and click push to Shopify. Select to also publish to online store and continue selling when out of stock. These are the personal options. And click push to Shopify. You can see that one product is being pushed to our Shopify store. Now Deezers inform us that the product is successfully pushed. Now to see our products in Shopify store, go to the Shopify dashboard and click here products. Now you can see that we have a new product and it's active. Click on it and you can see the description, the title as we edited earlier, only the images we selected, all the variants we have chosen to import, and so on. Our product is active, and this is how we import AliExpress products to Shopify store. Now let's go back to add another product from AliExpress. Go to AliExpress page, and I want to import this product now. So I click on it, and in the product page, I have this button here, add to Deezers. Click and import it. And you can see product import is successful. Now I go back to Deezers account, refresh this page again, and you can see here the new product. I want to edit it. I want a shorter title. Now you can here add also metadata of Shopify like type, tags, and vendors. I want to set the type handheld, tags portable fan, and vendor Jisoo Life. Now I want to go to variants and I want to import just one variant of this product. So I select all of them besides the first one and click remove SKU. Click yes. And now I have only one variant of my product. I want also to change the price value. So I want it $85. And go to description. The description is good for me. So I go to images. And I want only to select 3 up to 4 of them. So I want this one, and this one. Now I click save. Select only the new product I want to import and click push to Shopify. Now you can see at the preferences that there is a new checkbox. Our system detected that you have manually edited the prices of this product on Deezers. As a result, the pricing rule will not apply to this product. If you want to use the pricing rule instead of the edited prices, please check the box. You can hover over this link and see the pricing rule includes pricing templates, currency, and assigned cents. If you uncheck this unbox, none of these 3 features will be applied to your products. So I want to check this box. I want to continue selling when out of stock and also publish the online store. After this, I click Push to Shopify again. And my product is successfully added from AliExpress to my store. Go back to my store and go to Products. Now you can see that Jisoo Live Portable Fan 3-in-1 is in my store. You can click here to preview on online store. And this is how my product looks in my store. The title from Deezers, the price is now updated and is different from AliExpress. All the description are imported. And this is the very easy way to import AliExpress products to Shopify store. So that's all we had for today. We hope this tutorial has helped you add new and exciting products to your Shopify store. To be honest, with AliExpress, possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks a lot for your time and see you in the next video.